Today is a very nice day. Today is a very happy day. The Rata president have been released, which is very dark man. Yesterday when I got the information, I was totally happy. Nigeria are happy. We are really appreciate. My regards goes to the prominent men that they tweeted on that, because this is just the beginning. Because if things like this happen, nobody talk, nobody posted it, it will look like there's nothing happened. But Nigeria have started opening their eyes. If Nigerians can abide in this idea, let's try to love one another. If anything happen like this, let's try to make a little protest. I know that everybody will not come out, which is true. Everybody cannot come out in any protest, but by posting it alone, tweeting it alone, let this man should be free. Free social person. Because this thing that happened to a very dark man, tomorrow it can happen to Mr. B. It can be a Mr. A today, tomorrow it can be a Mr. C. You can't say that it does not concern me, none of my business. But it is good to do the right thing, because when you see what is happening in the country now, if you did not speak out, we are still in one place. According to one of our politicians, who says when you talk, you will die. When you not talk, you also die. So what is this we are really afraid of? I know that everybody is afraid of being locked up in the jail, yes, which is true. But if anything like this happen, let's try as much as possible for the masses to speak against the evil that is happening in our country today. Like what happened, the way everybody tweeted about it, even Barrister Deji, I was really happy the way the man really reacted on that, and we are happy about that. We are happy for what is going on in Nigeria. According to some of our politicians, they said that to take this country back from them, it's not going to be easy task. Them too, they will be fighting, but you know that we are going there. No matter how it is, they will try, they will strive, because these people we are dealing with, they are diplomatic men. They know how to change the games. But we know that one day all these things will come to pass. It will come to reality. I'm really appreciated. I'm really appreciated. Thank you guys for your massive support. Thank you guys for your understanding. Thank you guys for the ones that came out for the protest. It is not really easy. We really appreciated those that posted it, those that tweeted, those that have been calling for the regards of the arrest, so that they can be releasing him, because the guy did nothing. The guy did nothing, which is true that everybody might not like him.